In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download account statement on Wise. To get started, open Wise and make sure you're on the home page of your account. This is the main dashboard where you can see your balances and access different account features. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in first so you can follow along smoothly. Once you're on the Wise homepage, look for the option labeled Main Account and click on it. This will open the account area where your primary balance and account activity are shown. If you use Wise for multiple currencies or different balances, it's important to select the correct account before downloading anything, so you end up with the statement you actually need. After opening the main account, find the download button and click it. This is the option that lets you export or save your account information in a file format you can keep for your records. This can be especially useful if you need a statement for budgeting, accounting, reimbursement, or general documentation. When the download options appear, click on PDF. Choosing PDF is a good option if you want a statement that's easy to read, simple to share, and widely accepted for official or personal use. In most cases, PDF files preserve the formatting well, which makes them ideal if you need a clean copy of your account statement. After selecting PDF, click Download again to confirm. Wise will then generate the account statement and begin downloading the file to your device. Depending on your browser and settings, the file may either download automatically or prompt you to choose where you want to save it. Once the download is complete, open the file and quickly review it to make sure everything looks correct. It's a good habit to check that you downloaded the right statement and that the file opens properly. If you plan to use it later, consider saving it in a folder where you can easily find it, especially if you keep financial documents organized by month or account type. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your account statement on Wise. It's a quick process once you know where to look, and it only takes a few clicks from the home page to the final file. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.